house with no human furniture. Every piece is for cats. The floor is a soft polka dot carpet. Pinks, yellows, teals. Circles scattered like confetti across the surface. Soft enough for paws. Forgiving enough for claws. The climbing tower reaches the ceiling. The tunnels snake across in 5 colors. I went back and forth on whether this was too much. Then I looked at the ruin, a dome space with a circular window pointing straight at the sea, and realized the room was already playful before I touched it. We kept that window and the skylight above. The only room where the tenants have 4 legs.